How to clear cache in HBO Max. In order to clear the HBO Max cache, you want to navigate to your device's app settings, find the Max or HBO app, and select clear cache. So what you want to do is actually open up your HBO Max onto your device, and once you open up your HBO Max, you could go and click on the settings and look whether there is any sort of options available to clear cache. If you cannot find one, then you can go with the step number 2. Launch open settings onto your device and go to apps section from the list, and here you just want to click on see all apps, and then you want to locate HBO Max. When you locate HBO Max, you want to click on storage and cache. Here you go, click on clear cache and wait for it. Now if you click on clear storage, this is gonna delete all your data, but if you know your information, you would go with that as well. And hold on to your side button, restart your device at the same time, and that's how you should be able to clear cache in HBO Max. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.